Okay, welcome viewers. This is question and answer program of business ethics and corporate social responsibility on chapter 2. The direction is choose the best answer. Question 1. Who best fit the definition of a stakeholder? A. An individual who owns company share. B. Any party that can affect or be affected by the business. C. Only employees working within the organization. D. Only investors who expect dividend. The answer for this question is B. Any party that can affect or be affected by the business. Question number 2. Which statements most accurately distinguish stakeholders from shareholders? A. Stakeholder only exists in public companies. B. Shareholder focus on organizational performance, not profits. C. A stakeholder may not own stock but still have an interest in outcome. D. Shareholders are always external to the organization. The answer for this question is C. A stakeholder may not own stock but still have an interest in outcomes. Question number 3. Which of the following is an example of internal stakeholders? A. Government regulation. B. Supplier. C. Customer. D. Project manager. The answer for this question is D. Project manager. Question number 4. External stakeholders are best described as those who dash. A. Directly control daily business operations. B. Are employed by the organization. C. Are indirectly affected by business activities. D. Hold voting rights in shareholders meetings. The answer for this question is C. Are indirectly affected by business activities. Question number 5. Which group is classified as an external stakeholders? A. Board of directors. B. Project team. C. Executives. D. Creditors. The answer for this question is D. Creditors. Question number 6. Why are stakeholders considered indispensable to projects? A. They guarantee profit maximization. B. Project can exist without them. C. They provide financial support only. D. Without stakeholders, projects wouldn't exist. The answer for this question is D. Without stakeholders, projects wouldn't be exist. Question number 7. A symbiotic relationship between business and stakeholders implies dash. A. Stakeholders always agree with management. B. Mutual benefits and cooperation. C. Profit is prioritized over ethics. D. Decision making become slower? The answer for this question is B. Mutual benefits and cooperation. Question number 8. Which outcome is most likely when stakeholders are poorly managed? A. Faster decision making. B. Increased trust. C. Conflicting demands and stress. D. Higher employee motivation. The answer is C. Conflicting demands and stress. Question number 9. Engaged stakeholders contribute to financial benefit mainly by dash. A. Reducing employees' wages. B. Increasing government regulation. C. Weaken competition. D. Enhancing loyalty and long-term support. The answer for this question is D. Enhancing loyalty and long-term support. Question number 10. Which practice best empowers stakeholders? A. Limiting access to information. D. Excluding them from decisions. C. Involving them in decision making. D. Communicating only at project closure. The answer for this question is C. Involving them in decision making. Question number 11. Good stakeholder communication primarily helps to dash. A. Replace formal reporting system. B. Keep crucial stakeholders committed. C. Reduce project scope. D. Eliminate all conflicts. The answer is B. Keep crucial stakeholders committed. Question number 12. Stakeholder management is best defined as dash. A. Controlling stakeholder behavior. B. Maximizing shareholder wealth. C. Delegating authority to stakeholders. D. Identifying, prioritizing and engaging stakeholders. The answer for this question is D. Identifying, prioritizing and engaging stakeholder. Question number 13. Why is stakeholder management described as the lifeline of projects? A. It eliminates project risks. B. It ensures stakeholders replacement. C. It builds trust and relevance. D. It guarantees immediate acceptance. The answer for this question is C. It builds this trust and relevance. Question number 14. Which stakeholder contribution is most valuable when project managers lack expertise? A. Financial investment. B. Expert knowledge and experience. C. Formal authority. D. Legal enforcement. The answer for this question is B. Expert knowledge and experience. Question number 15. How does stakeholder involvement reduce project risk? A. By delaying decisions. B. By uncovering concern early. C. By avoiding discussions. D. By transferring responsibility. The answer for this question is B. By uncovering concern early. Question number 16. Stakeholders buy-in mainly increase dash. A. Project costs. B. Managerial control. C. Probability of project success. D. Regulatory pressure. The answer for this question is C. Probability of project success. Question number 17. Conflicting stakeholder needs are best managed by dash. A. Ignoring weaker stakeholders. B. Prioritizing profit only. C. Ending stakeholder engagement. D. Creating win-win solution. The answer for this question is D. Creating win-win solution. Question number 18. Regular stakeholder engagement from project start help ensure dash. A. Elimination of uncertainty. B. Smooth project acceptance. C. Reduction in documentation. D. Shorter project duration. The answer for this question is B. Smooth project acceptance. Question number 19. Corporate social responsibility primarily require managers to dash. A. Focus only on shareholders' returns. B. Ignore societal welfare. C. Balance firm interest with societal welfare. D. Avoid ethical considerations. The answer for this question is C. Balance firm interest with societal welfare. Question number 20. Participation in corporate social responsibility most directly improves dash. A. Employee belongingness and trust. B. Market monopoly. C. Regulatory independence. D. Product standardization. The answer for this question is A. Employee belongingness and trust. Question number 21. Which is financial benefit linked to corporate social responsibility? A. Increased legal obligation. B. Reduced transparency. C. Higher operational costs. D. Improved financial performance. The answer for this question is D. Improved financial performance. Question number 22. A major advantage of corporate social responsibility is that it dash. A. Eliminates competition. B. Reduces reporting requirements. C. Enhances company reputation. D. Guarantees government subsidies. The answer for this question is C. Enhance company's reputation. Question number 23. Why is corporate social responsibility more challenging for small business? A. Lack of ethical awareness. B. Disproportionate implementation costs. C. Absence of customers. D. Legal prohibition. The answer for this question is B. Disproportionate implementation costs. Question number 24. Milton Friedman's criticism of corporate social responsibility focused on dash. A. Environmental protection. B. Employee welfare. C. Transparency. D. Conflict with profit maximization. The answer for this question is the conflict with profit maximization. Question number 25. Greenwashing refers to dash. A. Genuine environmental innovation. B. Mandatory sustainability reporting. C. Misleading environmental claims. D. Government regulated corporate social responsibility. The answer for this question is C. Misleading environmental claims. Okay, this is all about today's presentation. Thank you viewers for attending this program.